I would just offer an example of something that we did recently, and for us, it really worked well. So we normally run our strategic planning process. We follow what's called the Hoshinkanri, which is something that came from Lean. And basically, you start thinking about what is your context, what's your problem, what's the problem you want to solve, what are your goals, and you analyze what are the gaps, what's preventing you from achieving those goals. And then you come up with, after everybody came to a consensus, then you move on to the solution space. You have been using this for 7 years. And then last year we tried something different. For the right side of this A3, as we call it, so for the solution part, we used design sprints. So all of a sudden we had, so remember, we have 2,500 people around the globe. This is a strategic planning process involved 110 people, our senior leadership. We had 12 simultaneous sessions of design sprints with all these people for 5 days. There were nothing else they were doing. They were just thinking about our strategic planning process. And the result of this is not just really tackling those problems and coming up with solutions or potential solutions to those problems. But the result is that everybody was engaged in that practice. So these 110 people that participated in these design sprints, they are advocates of that. After that, no matter if they are designers, engineers, whatever, managers, whatever they are, they were enthusiastic about what happened in those 5 days. They are multiplying that. You ask any one of them, they will say wonderful things about it, and they are multiplying that. So I would say that you need to do something like that, where people experience something new, and they get so engaged that they can replicate that. And for your particular problem, I definitely recommend you to use a design sprint with your designers that you said that are trying to translate the algorithms to human language, together with the AI people, the machine learning, the deep learning people, so that together they talk to normal people, right? Like people that are not designers, that are not engineers, and see how to translate that in plain English or Portuguese if you're in Brazil, or Russian or whatever, right? It definitely works.
Thank you.